Warm and inviting, this country retreat is situated on more than 4 park-like acres. It's located near Pumpkin Ridge Golf Club, Helvetia Vineyards and Winery, and yet close to popular city amenities and recreation options. The gated entry welcomes you to this serene, custom-built home, complete with a barn built in 2017. A cozy fire pit, swimming pool, seasonal creek, and a detached shop for your RV and toys, including a fantastic man cave. Heading inside, the inviting entryway with Brazilian cherry floors opens to the living room, featuring a propane-burning fireplace, a wall of built-ins, remote blinds, surround sound, and peaceful views. The entertaining kitchen features granite countertops, a spacious island, tranquil views, gas range, built-in refrigerator, and pantry. Or head outside to the large deck, where you can relax while taking in the natural scenery. A butler's pantry leads to the grand dining room, filled with natural light. Double doors open to the private office, a perfect place to work from home. Unwind in the main level primary suite, where you can wake up to countryside views. The luxurious primary bath features a jetted tub, walk-in shower, 2 separate walk-in closets with organizers, and multiple vanities. Downstairs, you can gather in the roomy family room. And you'll find a secondary primary suite with a full bath and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 4,500 square feet has 4 bedrooms, large walk-in closets, 3 full baths, and 3 powder rooms. The hot tub with an automated cover and outdoor shower make it easy to recharge. Make memories by the private fire pit. Explore the grounds or take a dip in the pool. The large shop has plenty of room for your RV, boat storage, lots of workspace, a powder room, and electric hookup. Upstairs, fun times await in the nearly 800 square foot man cave with projection screen. The expansive barn includes 2 stalls for your farm animals, plenty of room for your equipment, a large hayloft, power, water, security cameras, and portable heaters, plus a fenced area for your animals. Other features include a 3-car garage that's generator-ready, abundant storage, and a 19-camera security system. An exceptional private country retreat in a beautiful setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.